papaya, papita, lin carica papaya. Papaya is a yellowish orange edible fruit. It has high nutrition in it, like vitamins and minerals. It has vitamin A, C, K, and zinc, calcium, and magnesium. It has enzyme papain, which helps in digestion. Unripe papaya is used to tenderize meat. It contains vitamin K, helps prevent clotting of blood, and helps in reducing menstruation pain. It helps in reducing weight, only 35 calories per 100 grams. It contains potassium and magnesium, reduces blood pressure, and prevents heart diseases. It contains more water content, helps in hydration. Seeds of papaya, black in color, fights parasites. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Crafts.